No, no, no. Golden brown.
Catch,
Clean
clean,
and cook. Today we are out here catching some monster catfish. Let's eat. So crazy story. I got to the fishing spot. There was a cow like in the parking lot. I thought it was a big old wild hog. So I was like, shoot, they would have ran off by now. But yeah, it was just a big old bull that got loose. So I called the police just to let them know, like, hey, like it's a cow out here. They actually got in contact with the owner, and the owner called me back. And now, hopefully it'll come get his cow. But yeah, in the midst of that, I had just thrown out this bait. I'm using worms today, and I tell you, it wasn't even 5 minutes, and a catfish jumped on this thing, as you can see. So we're doing good. And all I'm using, let me show y'all, a little bead weight, circle hook, and a worm. And I actually have a surprise for you guys later. So stay tuned. You're gonna see some cool stuff. Ended up not catching anything else, but we went ahead and took this home and we started on this fire catfish recipe. No pun intended if you saw the first 10 seconds. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Oh, you see fish? They don't touch the nasty ice. Yeah, you see the fish? You see the fish, babies? Yeah? No, don't. It's nasty. It's nasty. Daddy's about to cook it. I gotta clean it and cook it. This is a catch, clean, and cook. All right, let's go ahead and get some fillets. All right, that was a pretty good fillet. I didn't leave much on this one. Look at that, to the bone. Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna actually get the belly meat this time. I never get the belly meat. This one isn't a huge one, but let me see. Cut at the dookie hole. All right, got some belly meat. Nice. It is seasoning time. My wife got me using 11 herbs and spices like this is KFC, Kentucky Fried Catfish. We might make that, but anyways, got quite a bit more seasoning than I usually do, and I hope it turns out great. Now it's surprise time. So I just got this off of Amazon, and I will now have the ability to cook right after I catch the fish. This is a portable propane grill, and it has the burner here. Got a little flip, put a pot. This is really cool, and really not expensive at all. I think it was like around like 40 bucks on Amazon. Really cool. Came with this case. It's a cheap old case, so nothing fabulous, but got the cord here underneath where you can hook up your propane tank. Take this out. So you take it out here. There's a little plug where you'll screw this in, which I'm going to do right now. And then you would attach your propane tank to this right here, which I have one. One sec. Got a propane tank right here. Little small one. Boink. Bink. Let's plug that in. All right, so now that's plugged in. I guess I was supposed to put it through the little hole, but it's okay. But basically, it is ready to go. So this is my first time actually turning it on, and also have a wind guard, which I may have to use because it's pretty windy out here today. This will just go around it. So that's all good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this started, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick up this catfish. I just seasoned it, so we're gonna get it started and get it eaten. Let's do it.
Warning, don't be a dummy like me and put cold grease on a hot pan. Here's why.
No, no, no. All right, let's try this again. All right, that's better. Now for the big pieces. All right, I'm going to flip. Woo-hoo-hoo. Golden brown. About to tear this catfish up. I'm about to catch some more. I'm about to eat it now. Go ahead and turn it off. Boop. Look at that. Look at that. I'm about to eat this fish. Go ahead and get these bad boys out. Nice. Look at that. Nice. All right, we finally to the taste of this catch, clean, cook. Oh man, this is looking so good. So good. So we about to go ahead and try a piece. All right, here we go. Here we go. I let the fish bleed out when I got it from the river, so no fishy taste. This is really good. Really good. So that was the typical fish back, but here's that belly meat. Belly meat looking real good. Real good. Let's try it. Mm. It's nice, y'all. It's nice. Hey, that's good. That's good. I may use a little less seasoning next time, but my wife recommended it, so I just wanted to give it a try. But that is good. It's good. Pan fried catfish. Delish. I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe and comment your fish recipes that you want me to try. I know I still need to try fish soup and some other recipes, but this was a great cook, and I'm so glad I got to use that new portable stovetop. That's gonna be nice. I can be able to catch and cook right on the river or right on the lake wherever I am. That's gonna be great. But thank y'all. Hope y'all tune in next time. Woo. No, no, no.